Guys, we're going to show you how to make this paper mask.
Hey Yinz guys, it's Melanie and this is my son Logan. If you're new to my channel, if you are new, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Anyway, we're back. Go ahead.
I'm going to tell you how to make this mask.
We're gonna make this mask, you guys.
Draw it.
Simple, easy DIY. If you guys are running late or mom feeling like I did this week and you need something really super easy peasy, we just printed out a mask, you guys. You could totally do Batman and wear all black, or you can do a creeper. And we have a t-shirt and his pants. Can you see his pants? Those are actually PJ pants. But it works well, you guys. Anyway, here's the video.
Go ahead, Sassy.
Wear it for just the intro. Say, I'm a unicorn. Oh, okay, mommy wear it? Alright guys, so I just googled creeper face and you can just print it out. I mean, print out whatever you want. But to save on ink, I'm actually going to do a coloring page and then let my son color it, so it's kind of more of a DIY for him. Plus, it saves a ton of ink. Also, hi Mackers! Say hi! My cat. I'm printing on cardstock, so it's thicker, and then I'm going to glue it, I think, to like more cardstock or cardboard or whatever. But if you don't have cardstock, you can totally just print it on paper and glue it to cardboard or whatever. I'm also printing, because I'm doing the coloring page, I'm going to print on green. That way, the base, if it's green, I can color black and darker green. It's just easier because I already have the cardstock. But if you don't, you can just print it white, print it colored, make it easier. Whatever, you guys get the point. Anyway, I'm going to print this out as a complete square. Most printers, I have a really cheap printer, guys, and I can print on cardstock, so just check and see if you can. But anyway, make sure you print full page. Big deal. Alright guys, notice it's printing full page. So whenever you go to print it, just check your printer settings, because if it's not full page, it may print, like teeny tiny. Just, look at your printing preview. Make sure it's full size so that it prints big enough to actually be a little mask. Here it is, guys. So, oh, look, I'm glad. See, it has the little lines in it, so I can color it. And it's already green, so yeah, let's color it. All right, guys, it's colored. We, of course, did not color the eyes because those will be getting cut out. And we're just gonna cut this out. If you have an X-Acto knife, I would definitely recommend that for this. So anyway, let's get to cutting. X-Acto knife to the rescue.
Fun.
All right, guys, we cut out the eyes, we cut out the square. So this is what we are left with. It's kind of holding up better than I thought it was, so I'm going to try to get away with not gluing it on cardboard, only because I am pressed for time, and I need this tomorrow because I'm a busy mom. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to cover this with packing tape because this is an outside event, and it might rain, and I don't want to ruin this. Obviously, if you live somewhere with nicer weather or it's not going to rain, you may not have to like waterproof yours. You can laminate it. But because this is paper, I want to make sure that it's weatherproof. So I'm just going to go around the whole thing with packing tape. Hi, kitty, kitty. And then I'll trim the edges. And now, hi, kitty, kitty. Come here, Mackers. Mac. Trim off the edges. You get the point, right? And then cover the whole thing so it's kind of like it's laminated. I don't think it'll be the best waterproof. I think it'll make it more waterproof. Now, as far as making it into a mask, you can, of course, hot glue or add holes for strings on the side. But our kiddo has Asperger's, which is like a mild autism. So if you have a kid, he has sensory processing disorder because of that. If you have a kid that may have issues with that, you may want to do what we're doing, and we're just going to glue like a painter stick or something to the bottom so he can hold it up to his face whenever he wants to, and he doesn't have it around his face constantly. So anyway, I'm going to cover this in tape first and then see what we're going to do as far as the stick. Yes. Alright, just guys, so that is it. I have some other videos, including her video linked below, and the previous years. For Halloween, there are more like detailed DIYs, and then there's the stuff whenever your mom failing like I did this week. But anyway, that is it. Please stay, please subscribe, check out the playlist. Happy Halloween! Say bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
Bye! Bye.